I just got Footloose back after 4 months, and it's time to calibrate that autopilot. And also stay tuned because I'm sure there's going to be a couple bloopers along with an inspirational quote. I hope everything goes well. Talk to you later. Let's get started. All right, Footloose is in the water and ready to go. I'm anxious to get out and start working on that autopilot. Heading out of Port of Everett, out of the marina. There's only 2 other trailers in the parking lot. Sun shining, balmy 41 degrees. I'm anxious to get started. First time out, really working with the new trim tabs, and they are working fabulous. Got right up on a plane right away, and I'm able to use them to help bring my bow up and down. Very nice, working really well. Well, I'm heading back in. I have attempted to follow the directions to calibrate this thing, and the darn thing's not calibrating. I've gone through the steps and the directions, so I've contacted the person that installed it to ask for some assistance, because I definitely need to get this thing working. Could not get the autopilot to work. So my traveling buddy, compliments of the Fern Bluffs Square Dance Group in Monroe, Washington, my new traveling buddy. It was good to have him along today because he says, you know, Keith, maybe you need to call Ray Marine and see if they can help you. So I called Ray Marine. They're on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast. They're open from 8:15 in the morning until 5 p.m. at night Eastern Time. So we'll just have to wait till tomorrow to get in touch with Ray Marine Technical Support. Thanks again, Wilson. You're a great travel buddy. Stay tuned because I'll have a blooper. I'm sure I'll have a blooper or two along this route. And so, hey, Wilson. This is... shoot, you can't see the name. Too much to drink, Wilson. Welcome, my new traveling buddy, bald, well,